eyes? Ma Angel, I heard you just won the YouTube Gold Award. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Wow, you people really try,
Thank you, sir. It's God, though. It's God that is doing everything for us, sir.
Yes, sir. It's God.
God? Which God?
Our God.
Your God. Where is your God?
Our God is in heaven.
Can you see your God?
No.
Can you touch your God?
No.
Then there is no God. Science has proven it that anything you cannot see or touch does not exist. So you don't have a God. What's that? Are you a graduate? I am a professor.
Professor, excuse me. How do you know there is no God?
Common sense. I use my sense.
Where is your sense?
My sense is up here.
Can you see your sense?
No.
Can you touch your sense?
No.
That means there is no sense.
Hmm?
Yes, because according to sense, anything you cannot see or touch does not exist. So, you don't have sense.